Time to go for a night ride out here at the Sand Dunes.
So I've never driven at night here, so this will be interesting. We're just going to take this one car, because the other one is having kind of a hard time starting, but we're going to take this guy, which is the cammed LS, like 500 horsepower Desert Dynamics sandrail. Should be pretty exciting. All right, let's get going.
We left camp and hit the trail to go to Freeway Hill, aka Test Hill, aka Competition Hill, over here in Gordon's Well. This may look a lot better for driving, but it was actually too bright and it was lighting up the dust, so I ended up turning it right back off and just going back to the yellow headlights. Freeway Hill is one of the safer and easier destinations for night rides, perfect for a newbie like me. See, duning at night may seem like a lot of fun, and it is, but it's extremely dangerous. The dunes are constantly shifting as the wind blows the sand, and it can lead to witch's eyes, which are like a pit or a drop-off on the backside of a dune. So if you come over the top wrong, you'll fall right into the witch's eye and can destroy your rig and get seriously injured or die. Heading to Freeway Hill is a pretty safe trail. It doesn't change very much. It goes right along a canal, right along the freeway. So you drive right over and you get to the hill where you can race up and down. As a fan of import cars from the 80s to the early 2000s, I secretly love underglow or colored exterior lighting on any car. So it's such a cool thing to see all these sandrails all lit up, ripping up and down this hill. I can only imagine what it looks like at night as you're driving by on the freeway.
I don't know how to drive this thing, and I don't know how to do this hill, and we want to go cruise the hill, so we're going to let my old man take the driver's seat. I'm going to sit shotgun so he can show me how this thing's done. This cam in this makes it super hard to drive. It's super lopey. You have to like be on it, otherwise it doesn't like it. Oh my gosh, this scares the crap out of me. Oh my gosh. Oh my man, this is nuts. It is climbing a wall of sand. That is the wildest thing to see at night. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's the highway out there. Oh my gosh. This freaks me out, man. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh, that. Whew. Well, that was something. Take me back to a racetrack, please. This has got to be one of the craziest things. Oh my gosh, and up we go. Over the whoops, and wide open throttle up to the top. Oh my gosh. Got a little bit airborne there. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. And that's a river right there too, so this is all kinds of sketchy. Oh hey, there's our friends right there.
This video is probably super grainy, the audio is super blown out, so sorry about that, but this is absolutely insane. I can hardly see what's going on, and these people are just blasting full throttle up this hill, and it's I don't know, man, this is totally something else. And the radio stopped working on our car, so when I was driving I couldn't hear anything, and then we got it working, and then I decided I was too intimidated to drive up this at night. During the day tomorrow I'll drive up, but right now this is just way too intense for me. I'm not brave enough today. Maybe another time. All right, check this out. These quads are drag racing up the hill. Tons of sandrails, side-by-sides, quads. No dirt bikes out here tonight. Everybody's got these super cool lit up like LED whips, or like, see that? Like the antenna. That's really neat. Makes everything look like a crazy RC car. And
And so many people out here have these crazy turbocharged or twin turbocharged or supercharged LS-based sandrails. This car is way difficult to drive because the cam is so lopey. I probably stalled it half a dozen times trying to just leave the cam. The cam is so aggressive that you gotta like be on it. There's no slip in the clutch to go. You just have to just wide open throttle and get moving. This is like a classic sando right here. We got a Volkswagen. It looks like it's just a Volkswagen Bug-based chassis with a VW engine. See that sweet Stinger exhaust? That is really cool. Let's see if we're making any progress on fixing the radio here. Radio's been figured out. Now it's time to head back to camp.
This was my first time taking a sandrail out at night, and it did not disappoint. If you're out of Gordonswell, I would highly recommend doing this, even if you don't want to drive the hill yourself. Just going out there to watch was awesome.
That was wild. Even though we didn't do a whole lot of crazy driving, at least I didn't, that was still so, I think, so stressful for me. I'm used to having a track, and so this, just kind of go wherever you want. You know, my dad was trying to point me to, well, don't instead of driving right behind somebody, which is what I'm used to doing. Hey, we're on track, we're on lane, whatever, we're going to take the same line. Well, you move over, so that way you're not, you know, inhaling their dust and breathing their dust the entire time. And it's just so different. Definitely a lot of fun. Hopefully, we'll get some day driving the next one.